This is DJI Phantom 4, and today I'll show how you can add, remove and adjust the flight distance limit on this drone. So at the start you will need to enter the camera feed of the DJI Go app. Next, tap at the three dots you'll see at your top right to launch settings. Here select the first section to, enter the MC settings. Now scroll down and look for the distance limit toggle. You can, add the distance limit or enable it, or disable it, just like that. Once enabled, you can set your maximum flight distance to be anywhere between 15 and 8,000 meters. So just tap at this input field here, then using your default keyboard input the preferred flight distance limit and then hit the OK to confirm. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.